Hello everyone. In this video I will be demonstrating how to fish out certain undesired values in your data set and finding ways and means to replace those undesired values with your own preferred choice of values, or even not your own preferred choice of value, the standardized values which you want to replace them with, and to proceed with your analysis. Now I have this sample data set which I will be using for this demonstration. So I will duplicate this sheet and then proceed to work with it. You can check the link below for a video which I did regarding how to duplicate a sheet, that the shortcut for duplicating sheets in Excel. I will put a link below so you can check it up. Alright, so I will duplicate this sheet. Alright, so I have duplicated a sheet and then so I delete this one. Okay, so I have temperature minimum and maximum temperatures. So in the maximum temperatures, what I want to do is I want to do away with these negative temperatures. I think there are only 3 and I can manually do it with ease. But how about if you have a very large data set consisting of hundreds to thousands of continuous data sets, and you want to do these changes? You can't manually do it. It's going to take you several days and weeks. So we can use the if statement to do this, or we can use the find and replace option as well to do this. So I would say that, so the first I will give this heading as if, so I'll call it if statement. So we're using the if statement for the first scenario. Alright, so I'll use the equal to, and I'll say that if, open the bracket, so I want to replace the negative values here with zeros. So I'll say that if this value is less than 0, then replace them with 0, else replace them with that same value. Okay, so what this means is, it's a very simple thing. If the value I have here is less than 0, that's if it's a negative number, ignore the negative number and replace it with 0, else put that same number I have in this column. So enter, and I have it. So since this value is greater than 0, it keeps it. So I can double click and I have it there. So we can just skim through to find out if it has done a good job. Look at this. So we have this, of course, is less than 0, so it's replaced with 0. This as well, less than 0, it has been replaced with 0. That's a very simple process, which if you have a large data set, you can easily write a statement and then it does it. Okay, now what about we using the find and replace option? We can use the find and replace option also to easily do it. Okay, so I will call this heading as find and replace. Alright, so find and replace. What you need to first do is to select the column that you want to do your finding and replacing. So I select that column and I hold my control key down plus F. Then I have sorry. Alright, let me just duplicate this so that I don't have to work manually. I don't have to effect the changes on this data set. So okay, alright, so find and replace. So I wanted to find all the zeros and replace them all with a certain desired value. I will define it as xxx. So So it's identify 3 and replace them all with the XXX. I can close this and here we go. So I have this and I have this being now transformed from the minus into their desired value, either 0 or XXX. So an option of using the if statement or using the find and replace options for doing it. If you like this video, I would like you to give me a thumbs up by clicking on the like button, as well as subscribing, so that as often as I upload new videos, you can get the notification in time. Also, I will attach a video, or yeah, I'll attach a link of the video I did regarding how to duplicate a sheet, as well as how to duplicate a column in Excel using some keyboard shortcut, because I had to do it without me giving the short forms or the shortcut. So you can visit that link and have a look at the video. It's a very short video and I know you appreciate it. Thank you very much, and do well to subscribe and give me a thumbs up as well. I look forward to hearing your comments, as well as your suggestions and any new findings you think you can add to this work. Thank you very much, and do have a great day. Bye bye.